Hi there, I'm Sipo from Robeco's Global Multi-Thematic Strategy. Today we're talking all things mobility. Now the electrification trend has really resulted in a massive transition of the mobility and automotive sector as we know it today. And if you add to the equation autonomous vehicles, which is an exciting new trend we're seeing in that space, we believe mobility is at another shifting point where not only are we changing how we move, we're changing how cities are set up, how logistics within cities are set up, and also how energy systems are operating. Now for this topic, I'm really happy to be joined by Giacomo, who's our thought leader in the mobility space.
Autonomous driving is really at an exciting inflection point. We're seeing this form of embodied artificial intelligence leaping from basic features of assisted driving to true autonomy. In the personally owned vehicle space, it's the norm now to see more and more forms of hands-off driving. And the next frontier there is going to be eyes-off driving, when the driver will be able to really let the car drive by itself. But what's even more exciting than that, it's the robotaxi space. In the US, the leading robotaxi operator already runs more than 1 million paid rides per month. And that's just in a handful of cities, and this service is going to be expanded and accelerated in terms of coverage of new cities. So it's going to be more and more, and it's going to be normal to have this kind of services in our cities. If you think about it, the impact of these are really profound, and I believe they cannot be emphasized enough. Think of safety, for instance. This leading company reports more than 90% fewer serious injuries accidents than a human driver, an average human driver, and that's on already statistically significant data.
I guess the question investors would have afterwards is, this has been sort of a interest topic for a while. So what's different now? What's the trigger point now that you say this is an interesting time to look at the space now?
Well, I think what's different now is that it is now, maybe if you allow me this pun, because as I said before, we're really seeing already commercial services that are enabled by this autonomous driving technology. It's no longer a sci-fi scenario, it's already happening. What needs to happen? It's massive adoption, and it's to make this technology even more pervasive. How that normally happens is thanks to two factors that I would mention. One is regulation, and the second one is cost. Both these factors are going in the right direction and are going there very fast. In terms of regulation, we're really seeing positive legislative momentum in all the main geographies in the US, in the EU, also in Asia, where countries are really trying to favor the adoption and to really create the regulatory boundaries for autonomous vehicles to be adopted. Mm-hmm. And in terms of cost, that is always crucial when a new technology is launched. The cost goes down enough for having the economic rationale. Yeah. But that's really happening. It's already happening, and it's only gonna increase from here. So we are now in a nice moment where these two factors are converging, mm-hmm. And are gonna make investors have even more opportunities for investing in the space.